Hello, I'm Mark Glassmeyer and welcome to another Flight Outfitters Touch and Go product demo video. Today we're looking at the Bush Pilot logbooks. These things are super cool. So here's the theory on this. It's pretty simple. Our logbooks document all of our great flying adventures and memories and stuff. So we've got a book full of cool adventures that are awesome. And why do we put them in a non-awesome case? So we wanted to come up with an awesome logbook cover worthy of our awesome adventures. And we think we've done it here with the Bush Pilot logbook case. It's the canvas with leather accents, so you're getting a quality product to go with it. Got the leather straps, you open it up. And let me just look at, we got the large and the small. So it's my logbook over there, the small one. Here's the bigger one, size one. And inside you're gonna find clear windows, slash windows for credentials. So I've got my pilot's license in there. Copy of my medical, some fuel cards here that you can store. Back in here I've got other various types of just random stuff I've picked up, whether it be from check rides or whatever. Just any type of paper that somebody that looks important gives me that I should have when I'm flying, I just tend to keep it with me. And here's the business end of the logbook cover, if you will, that actually houses the logbook. And then we've got some various slash pockets in here, and really important, whenever I go to fill out my logbook, it seems like I can never find a pen. So in mine now, I'm going to permanently leave a pen right here that's just for the logbook. Holds everything secure, fits right in the middle of the center section of most of our flight bags. Right here, this is where I store mine personally in mine. The Bush Pilot logbook cover in large and small from Flight Outfitters. Get yours today and give those adventures that you've documented the respect they deserve by giving them a cool case to house them in. The Bush Pilot logbook, Flight Outfitters. Thank you very much.